Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Julia, your flight service manager speaking. On behalf of Cathay Pacific and the rest of my team, it is my pleasure to welcome you aboard our Cathay Pacific Flight CX450, our one-world flight to Narita. To members of our Marco Polo class, thank you for joining us again. For those passengers who wish to join our Asia Miles program, application forms are available for this flight. Captain James Penny will take us to Narita. As a team, we're looking forward to making this journey at less than 1.21. Please approach myself or any of the cabin crew if you need any assistance. Once we are airborne, you will get back with more information regarding our in-flight service. In preparation for the takeoff, electronic devices must be switched off at this time. Please ensure that your mobile phone is completely switched off in order to avoid interference with certain instruments in the flight deck. For safety reasons, all loose items, including handbags and shoes, must be properly stowed under the seat or in the overhead compartment. Please be careful when opening and closing the overhead compartment so that items inside will not fall out. In preparation for the takeoff, can we please have your attention for the safety demonstration? Thank you. Cabin attendants, please prepare for departure and cross-check. Thank you.